Wichita County Judge Woody Gossom says he is sending a letter to the Texas Supreme Court Chief Justice asking for details of a charge lodged against him by District Attorney Judge Barney Fudge, alleging Gossom is being paid for functions he has not performed. Fudge filed for a request for a state court of inquiry into the allegation, and Chief Justice Nathan Hecht assigned Senior Administrative Judge David Peoples of San Antonio to conduct the inquiry.
We obtained a copy of the complaint or affidavit signed by Judge Fudge describing the alleged misconduct. It was filed June 18th, and Fudge ordered it sealed at that time. It states a county judge is entitled to receive a salary supplement equal to 18% of his salary if at least 40% of the functions he performs are judicial in nature. It further states the only judicial functions Judge Gossom performs involve presiding over juvenile detention hearings. It also states Gossom has signed affidavits swearing 40% of the functions he performs are judicial. Finally, it alleges the judicial functions by Judge Gossom do not achieve the 40% requirement.
Judge Gossom says his supplement totals more than $25,000 a year on top of his almost $100,000 annual salary and an $8,500 juvenile board subsidy that other judges and the DA also receive. Now, he says he's confident his supplement has been correct because 40% of his duties, not his time, are judicial matters, and he has all duties the law requires. As of yet, we do not know when the court of inquiry will begin.